I'm Mary Statzer, Curator at UNM Art Museum. I'm standing in front of Robert Ryman's painting, General 51.5 by 51.5. He made this painting in 1971, and it was a gift of Vernon Nickel, a very important donor to UNM Art Museum. Look for another hot spot where I talk in detail about Vernon Nickel as a collector and donor to the museum. I've placed the painting in a very quiet environment. This was at the request of Ryman when he was alive to install it. But also, I wanted to test his ideas, which were that white is a neutral color. He claimed that visitors didn't even perceive it as a color, that it had no sort of symbolism for them or meaning. Rather, it amplified the light, the texture, and the color of the space around it. So it had special properties to do that in Ryman's mind. I wanted the viewer to be able to test that idea in our installation. We received more comments about this painting than any other object in the permanent collection exhibition, including one comment by a very young visitor who humorously described it as a polar bear in a snowstorm. We also had people who just really disliked this painting and wrote it down in comment cards, as well as telling our museum guards that they saw it as a subject of ridicule. They thought it was boring, meaningless. Someone even used the word stupid on a comment card. But then there were others who wanted us to place a bench in front of it so that they could sit at length and contemplate this painting. And even others who loved it so much that they wanted to live with it in a space with very little else in the room.